Change my keyboard switches with me. Putting them in a talenti jar, haha. Kibon pink switches.
Got kick.
It was so hard putting switches in, like my fingers were hurting. Pink jelly keycaps from Amazon. They are so cute.